Now comes the part where the automation becomes observant. We're not just automating calls, we're building a system that pays attention to what happened. Did someone pick up? Did the assistant get the job done? Was the lead interested? To answer those questions, we need to ask VAPI for the results of a specific call, and to do that, we'll use an HTTP module to make a request for that call record. To better understand this module's function, let's explore what an HTTP request is and how it fits into the broader workings of the internet and how APIs fit into all of this. I know it sounds complicated, but let's break it down with a simple analogy. Remember earlier we learned how an automation workflow is like a factory's assembly line, where each module is like a machine performing a step in the process? Well, factories don't operate in isolation. Sometimes your factory needs supplies, information, or services from outside its own walls. A real factory might call a supplier to order more raw materials, ask a logistics company where a shipment is, verify parts, meet quality standards with lab testing, request a maintenance crew to check the temperature of a remote machine. Simply put, a factory coordinates with external partners to handle tasks outside its own expertise. Just like real-world suppliers don't take factory orders shouted over a fence, external services need a structured way to receive requests. That's what an API or application programming interface is. In our factory analogy, the API is like the official order form that your external partners use to process requests, which you would fill out to order some special machine parts to use within your factory. Online services like VAPI, Airtable, or Slack all offer APIs that follow the same principle. They give outside entities like Make.com a structured way to send and receive information. APIs give us a clear, consistent way to ask for something and get a predictable, reliable response. So even though you're working with visual blocks, these modules use the same underlying language that developers use to connect services across the web. Yes, this is no-code development, but that doesn't mean code isn't running. It's just happening behind the scenes.